channel. In this video, this is Entrepreneur Mindset quote number 37 by Carl Sandburg. Time is the coin of your life. It's the only coin you have, and the only you can determine how it will be spent. Be careful lest you let others spend it for you. So basically what this quote means is that you need to live life to the fullest every day, working hard on your goals, your aspirations, your dreams, and you must determine how it will be spent wisely or on nonsense. You need to really focus because time is an asset. If you realize time is an asset, you will be able to actually see that your time is valuable and you need to spend it on valuable things, whether that's starting a business or focusing on your goals and dreams. So this is a very powerful quote, which means that you need to utilize your time in a way that benefits you and others around you, because you don't want others to actually spend your time for you or make choices for you. You want to have control, and you want to have the ability to live life on your terms and dictate what you could be spending your time on and what you could be building rather than wasting your time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.